Hi guys, if you want to reduce fat fast from stomach and get 6-pack abs, then do these 4 exercises only 10 days and see result on mirror. Let's begin. First exercise is sky touches. In this exercise your back should flat on floor and bend your knees and then hands up and then just coming up and down like me. Second exercise is Cocoons. In this exercise your legs should on air and your hands should behind the head and move your legs and hands close to each other, in and out. Third exercise is hopping air bike. In this exercise you have to stand straight, then move one hand down and one leg up and touch both of these to each other like me doing.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion.
Fourth exercise is plank. In this exercise you have to take position like me and stay in this position for 30 seconds. If you want increase hardness, then put some weight on you. This will affect more on stomach.
Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me free.
Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.